Alright guys, so as you can see, the whole block is on the floor. A whole day I was trying to figure out how to remove the crankshaft, and I was checking different forums and all that stuff, and people are, saying take a rubber mallet and start hitting it and it will pry off. And I tried, it just didn't work. The rubber thing, it doesn't work. Maybe when you just reassembling the engine and then you made a mistake and you tried to hit it again and remove it, yeah. But on the old factory one, no, it don't work, because it has a down this all this line around and across. It has a sealant. It has a factory sealant where it pretty much glues this for the block. And it's with the rubber mallet, it's not gonna do nothing. You can bang and bang, it's nothing is happening, So I was at the point where, like, hey, listen, if I damage it, I'm gonna buy a new one, I was like getting desperate. So then I decided, you know what, maybe if I just because there's a couple of stronger points where you can hit it harder, like on the sides right here. Like you can hit it right there, and you can hit it right there on the all the way on here and right there. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna take a piece of wood, put it like that, and then hammer it right there with the hammer. And this is what happened. All right, the whole thing is split. So what you do is you just put the hammer thing, you piece of wood, and then you just hammer it here, and as you can see, and you put one right here, one right there, and it just split. It finally split open, and I'm like, what the hell? So people were telling me, hey, take a rubber hammer, and I was like, the whole day I was doing that thing, and I couldn't figure out, because I don't know, YouTube is not showing anything. There's nothing there. So I was like, you know what, just whatever happens. If I break that thing, I'm gonna get a new one. That's the thing. Like I said, the last option, I was like, yeah, take a piece of wood, put it right there. I would not suggest hitting it with the straight hammer there, because it's gonna break it. It's gonna break. Whatever you're hitting, it's gonna break. This thing it might be metal, but it's not as strong. So yeah, guys, that's how you remove it. Make sure before you start hammering that you remove all the bolts. Remember, there's one bolt right here underneath the oil filter housing. You have to remove that housing, and there's a bolt right there, and there's a bolt right here. So make sure you remove those bolts before you start hammering. Otherwise, you're gonna be hammering and you're gonna break something. Well, that's gonna be it, guys. After so many hours of struggle, I finally got it. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Easy way. I should have done it right away. It just, I was scared banging it, because some people on the internet, started saying, oh, be careful, blah 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 blah. Nah, just hit it, guys. Don't be scared. And what I did, how they say hit on one side, hit on another. Nah, I just turned the engine down, and I just kept hitting here and here and here, and it just split open. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. I hope you learned something today, and yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like it, subscribe, and yeah, latest.